So this is 10th floor, Hilton Garden Inn, Virginia Beach. 2 queen size bed. The shitter, I think the shitter, where's the shitter? The shitter is right here. Oh, hold on. Let me get there you go. That's the shitter right there, guys. So, okay. So, two queen size bed, 10th floor, ocean front. It's so windy here today now. But it's all good. They're laughing at me. My sister laughing at me because hold up. How to open this door? I don't even know how to open this door. Where is it?
Hold on. You gotta move that.
Oh, there you go, guys. There is the... Woohoo! Welcome to Virginia Beach!
Oh, it's not so cold. It's not that cold, babe.
No, it's not cold. It's not cold. It's just windy. Yeah, I think there is a cold front coming or a storm.